How to see your Instagram activity log in just a few easy steps. To check your activity log on Instagram, which shows all your interactions on the platform, just follow these easy steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the three horizontal lines or hamburger menu in the top right corner and tap on it to open a menu with various options. Here, select Your Activity, which will bring you to a complete log of everything you've done on Instagram. Inside, you'll see different categories like likes, comments, and search history. Tapping on each category shows the specific details, such as posts you've liked or comments you've made. If you want to delete any part of this history, just select it and follow the prompts to remove it. Accessing your activity log like this helps you keep track of all your interactions and better manage your Instagram presence. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.